educators, ever wondered what it feels like to have a full set square or a full geometry box or having a full protractor, all of these options? Imagine doing that on a panel without using an external device. In the magic box option, just click on the magic box facility, click on compass, click on protractor, whatever that you want. From here, you can make it a full scale, you can make it into a half scale, you can check the angle. For example, in case you're putting 60, so this will come onto 60 degrees, and at the same time you can increase and decrease the size of the numbering. Again, from here you want to make a different angle and you want to showcase on a smaller scale, use the hand option and reduce the size. So this increases your fundamental probabilities of using a compass, a protractor, a set square in more variations. Hope that helps you. Thank you so much.